Yo, so we are June 2nd, so this is time for the May recap video. If you don't know me, I'm Borombo. I'm a mobile app developer since nearly 10 years, and I'm on a challenge to reach 5K MRR by September. Let's say by September. So this video will be about what I have done in May, and the video will be pretty fast because if you did not check the previous video that I've made about the month of April, I made this video mid-May because I was on holiday early May, and when I came back I did not come back that long, and then I left again. So most likely for the 1 month of May I did not do much. So what I'm going to share with you is most likely the numbers, because this is what is interesting and what I'm planning to do moving forward. So let's keep it simple. First, what are we talking about? What kind of app I have? That will be pretty simple. As you know, if you check the previous video, I have two apps I'm working mainly on: Auro, which is a voice memo summary app, and Dreamer, which is an app that helps you interpret your dreams, both of them with AI. Auro is the app that brings me the most money, and Dreamer did not really bring me money so far, but the goal is to make it grow. So now let's talk about the numbers. I'm gonna go straight to the point. It's going to be pretty easy. I'm going to talk about how much download I got for each of the app, the revenue I got, and of course the MRR. So let's start with Auro because this is the one with the biggest number. Actually, when I look at my numbers, everything is kind of down. My impressions are down, my downloads are down, the page view are down. Everything is down, but revenues are up. They're not up by much, and the conversion rate also increased. The conversion rate actually doubled. I went from like around 25% to a good 40+%. So this is nice. So in terms of revenue for Auro, I'm like at around $240 for the month of May. I think last month I was at like 215, something like that. Out of all of this revenue, I got only 70 downloads on Auro, which is not the best, but still bringing money. On Dreamer side, I've made money with Dreamer. I think this is one of the first months I'm making money with Dreamer. So I made like $30 with Dreamer. 5 of them was from a conversion after a trial, and actually the other 25 was like a yearly subscription that someone took a year ago that I actually did not really check that, but yeah, they just renewed that. So I got $30 in revenue with Dreamer with only 17 downloads. So that's crazy to me that Dreamer has like so low downloads, and still I have people like starting the trial, which was not the case in the previous month. So this is like promising. Of course, this is small numbers, so I cannot take conclusion based on that, but this is still good. Now, in terms of general numbers, last month I had 30 active subs. Now I have 36. So it is growing slowly, but it is growing. And in terms of MRR, went from 230 to 250. So this is a small increase, but still an increase. So if we look back from the beginning, I started in terms of revenue with 188 in March, and now I'm at like 270 in terms of revenue for this month. I mean 269, but let's round it to like 270. And in terms of MRR, I started at like 145 and now I'm like at 250. So this is good increase, but of course this is not close to like the 5K MRR goal. But all of that is based on the fact that, as I told you, I don't have that much downloads or impressions, and this is because I'm not properly doing marketing yet. And this is my plan for this month and the coming month, to actually work hard on this acquisition and marketing. And I think now that with AI everyone can build stuff, marketing and acquisition is even more important. So this is what I'm going to focus on, and I will try my best to document this as much as I can. On a side note, I did not just work on that. I randomly made a Mac app in one day just because I needed it for my new app that I'm working on. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this month. So there was just like an update on the numbers. I did not make any updates or things to actually move those numbers. That's my goal for this month, to make those numbers move intentionally. And yeah, I will try my best to share that with you. If you have like any questions about like the process, what I'm doing, my apps, whatever, please feel free to put them into the comment. If this video was interesting or you're interested about the challenge or just what I'm doing, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And I see you soon for another video. Until then, take care. Peace.